Hey guys, this is Rahul, and today I will show you how to indent sections within a same line. What do I mean? Let's say this is your line, University of Southern California, and you see 2012. So, how do I get 2012 the extreme right? That is, keeping this left indented, making 2012 as right indented. You can notice this if I go to home, check. So the entire line is left indented, but how do I get 2012 on the right side? Now, how people generally do, and even I used to do this, was I would do some couple of spaces, a couple of tabs, and give like an approximate way, approximately come to the edge. But it's quite cumbersome and it's not the right approach. So question arises, is there a better way? And yes, there is a better way. Okay, so, and before I start, this word technique is really useful example for creating a resume. So before I talk more, let's go into the demo. Okay, so step one, go to view and check ruler. Okay, now go back to your home and let's say I say University of XYZ. Now if I want to put something like a 2012 on the right side, how do I do it? It's easy. I go to this corner and I see these icons here, keeps changing them till I see this icon. This is what I want. Now once this is selected, as in just cycle through them and make sure this is what you see, then you tap on the ruler and then you drag it to the right handmost side. Easy? Okay, great. So once you do that, go back to the line and press a tab. See how it automatically goes to the rightmost side, and then you can easily write the year. Magic, right? It's awesome. So you don't have to worry about the spaces, you don't have to worry about how many tabs I have to do. It automatically adjusts that for you. Great. So I'll just repeat again. So University of XYZ. Once that is done, I cycle through these icons and I see this one once hit. Then I tab on the ruler, drag it to this corner. It's easy. Once done, you go to this line and press a tab and then you can write. Seems easy? Awesome. So the second question arises, what if if I want to put some text here, how do I do that? Should I go like spaces and then write something? I mean, I could do that, but is that the right approach? Maybe not. Could I put some tabs? Oh no, that screws up everything. Okay, don't worry, there is a better way to do that. So what do? Again, go to this section and cycle through the icons till you see this. So let's say if you want something in the middle of this page, exactly the middle of the page, how do I do that? So once this is selected, again the process is same. Tap on the ruler and try to find the middle point. Now this is kind of difficult, so what I do is I press the Alt button and it automatically tells the distance from the edges. So if you can see, yeah, so this is approximately the middle. There's 3.13 inches from either sides, and I just leave it. Oops, what happened? What did just happen? So 2012 just moved into the left side. Don't worry, don't panic, it's easy. There's no big deal. All you have to do is press a tab. Again, I pressed tab. Oh, amazing, it goes back to the proper places. And now I can write whatever text I wanted to write. This could be your, let's say, CGPA. And you notice how this is centrally aligned? Perfect. Now Now this is one case when you want it centrally aligned. What if you want the text to start here and then you want to move like this manner? How do I do that? It's easy. Let's go back and you can just tab on it, and if you move outside it deletes it. Cool, right? This happens in Mac. I'm not sure how it happens on Windows. Okay, so again, so what we wanted to do was center, but the text moves towards the right, not centrally aligned. That's also easy. So I cycle through the icons and I look for this one. Perfect. Now what do I do? Tab anywhere. Let's say instead of center line, I just want it randomly placed. We could do it central line again. So yeah, this is little cumbersome, but it does the job. Perfect. Now I press tab again and see 2012 goes to its proper position. Now what will happen is the text will not be centrally aligned. It'll go from the cursor position towards the right. So notice C, G, P, A. See? So it starts here and it goes here. So these are a couple of options which are available to you and you can just make use of it. It's pretty cool, especially when you have several sections within a particular line. And I've seen this happening a lot in resume, or let's say if you want to make a document which has date on one side and text on the other side. So I hope this is useful for you guys. Okay, that's it. Thank you. See ya.